Today, our topic of discussion is binary addition. Binary addition is quite similar to the arithmetic additions, that is the decimal arithmetic. Is similar. It has two terms, one is adjacent and other is the addend. So the addend is added to the adjacent and it forms the sum, and other is carry. We'll discuss details about the adjacent, addend, sum and carry with some example. So the adjacent is defined as the number to which another is added in forming a sum and its value is increased. As per example, suppose 9 plus 7. So the 9 plus 7 is 16. So the sum is 6 and carry will be the 1. So the addend, it is added to another. So the value of addend is added to the adjacent and it forms the sum and carry. So the sum is the result of an addition operation, and the carry is the bitwise, that is the column-wise binary addition. The result of the addition is required 2 bits to represent its value. One bit is LSB and other bit is MSB. This LSB bit is sum and MSB is carry for a particular column-wise operation, because the addition is nothing but the bit-wise operation. It will be clear in our example. So before going to the example, some formula we have to memorize, that 0 plus 0 equals to 0. The simple formula which we have used in binary. So 0 plus 0 is sum and this is carry. 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and the 2 is represented as 1 0. So here the 0 is LSB and this LSB is nothing but sum, and 1 is MSB, that is carry, and this MSB bit is propagated to the next significant bit, means in the next significant bit it will add. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So 1 is sum and 0 will be the carry. Similarly 1 1 1 1, so it is 1. Actually 1 1 1 is 3, so 3 means in binary it is 1 1. So this one will be the sum and this is carry. As per example, this additional operation, look at 1 plus 0, that is 1 according to this, and the 0 will be the carry, and this carry propagate to the next. So 0 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 again 1 0. So 0 will be the sum and 1 will be the carry, and this carry is propagated to the next. So 1 1 1, that is 1 1. So this is the sum and this is the carry, and this carry added with this 0 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0, nothing but the 1 with carry 0, and this carry will forward here. So it will be the 0 plus 0 plus 0, it is 0, and the carry is 0, and this carry propagate here. So the answer is, we start from LSB 1 0 1 1 0 0. So this is a quite simple operation of binary addition. Let us consider two binary number, and these two binary number have to add. Here the B indicate the binary number. You may use suffix 2 to indicate the binary number. Look at the number of bit part and the fractional part are not equal. Here the number of bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for second, that is adding, and for integer is also 3, while into the integer part it is 7. So we have to add 0 in both integer part and fraction part, so that bit concept means you have to match this point. So look at here, we match this point and value. So the number of bit in both side, number of bits both side of this point is same, 5 and 5. These and this 40 is called the zero padding, because it's a bitwise operation. To maintain the weight, we have to maintain the fractional value. This is the similar rule which we are used in operation. So it is column wise operation. So we have to add this number bitwise. So look, no carry, no carry. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So the carry will be here and the sum will be here. 1 is the carry, so 1 1 is 0, with carry 1 1 1 1, with carry 1, and this 1 1 1 is 1 0, 0 is sum, with carry 1 1 1 0, with carry 1. This is the answer. It's quite simple. So this is a quite simple operation of binary addition. In next video, I will discuss about the binary subtraction.